Hey guys, just wanted to show an update of my sister's home network. I showed some stuff before. There's the wiring. I'll show you what one of the rooms will look like. But I got a lot of the rooms wired up that have computers in them. Here's the router. It's running pfSense. This is the hard drive that runs the OS. It's PATA. There's a 3 terabyte SATA in there, like Western Digital or something. And that's on there is running as a FreeBSD jail. I didn't do like the build, just build it. I just found instructions for some from this guy on the FreeNAS forums who showed how to put a jail just directly on there. So I have a FreeBSD jail running on there. On there I have a bunch of services like Sickbeard and Sab and Couch Potato downloading. By the way, I have Couch Potato version 2. It's still not working with some of like the Android apps that I use, and I'm not 100% used to it, but it works well and it looks really nice. They put a lot of new options in it. And I also like Sab version 7. There's a lot of different things in there, a new UI, and I can limit the download. Because now my sister's house is on Comcast. They have a 250 gig cap, so I can set that up in Sab. I put like 220. Assume they use 30 gigs for just their browsing. Everything should be working there. So anyway, this is running pfSense. There's a FreeBSD jail in there, running a bunch of media services. Here's the router. This is going to be upgraded to my SB6120, and eventually, yeah, I don't need one because I'm actually moving to Sacramento for my job, and I don't need a router there because I'm moving in with someone who already has one. And once I have my own place, then I'll buy a SB6180 or whatever the best model is at the time. Here's one of my gigabit switches that's going to be here. There's a 450 volt amp UPS back there. I don't have NUT, the network UPS thing, running on here yet, but I will get that working just so it will safely shut down, so it won't like corrupt the hard drive or anything. Anyway, there's a bunch of wires. This thing is actually, so it's from 2003, but it has a built-in 100 megabit NIC. I found the 100 megabit NIC lying around, like a PCI one, and then I bought for like 10 bucks, got a gigabit NIC, an Intel one that works well, and then I got another gigabit NIC for like 30 bucks. It has 2 ports, so there's actually 5 ports on here. And I set up one of the 100 megabits for Wi-Fi because their Wi-Fi router is only 100 megabit. It's actually my Cisco wireless access point. The other one I set up for Xbox because it's only 100 megabit. And then everything else, the 3 gigabits. One's going in the switch, and this is basically for all the network traffic. And then one is going to, not sure where the other ones are going actually. I might actually move them around now that I realized. Yeah, because that might be a bandwidth limiter. Is that switch? But anyway, yeah, here's the network. I'll just show you. I haven't wired these two because there's like, I need to get into that wall, and there's insulation because that's an outside wall. This is the garage right here, so I don't know how to push the Cat6 through insulation yet, so I need to figure that out. But everything else I did. Sorry if this video goes long. As you can see, the 2 wires. So this is my nephew's room. Right now, this will eventually be the Xbox, right? One of the Xbox, or yeah, his Xbox here. Move stuff around here. Here's his desktop. It's wired gigabit. Let me show you an example of what it looks like. I made a mistake there. I hit a stud. I didn't have a stud finder at the time. Here, I had to get through a vertical stud, so that kind of sucked. But I need to patch that too. Here's what it would look like if I don't make any mistakes. Right there. I put that guy in, and I made another mistake up there, but I think they just repainted this room so they have paint to fix that stuff. So yeah, that's what it would look like, just basically a wall socket. It looks nice, it's wired up well. Here's my desktop, but yeah, anyway, let me just show you some of the services. Here's a Sab. They're downloading like crazy right now. Let me go to freaking... Alright, here's their Sab. This is Sab version 2.0 in case, Couch Potato version 2.0 in case you haven't seen it. It looks nice. Media Dog is the one that I'm using, and that's, sorry about the flash there, let me block that guy out. Anyway, yeah, so I downloaded these movies correctly. Everything's working. It's pretty cool. You can see the files and everything. yeah, so anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to show it once I have the OpenELEC systems up and running. I have one working right now, but I want to get the syncing working. I already have MySQL running on my media, on my FreeBSD jail, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later.